Scratch. Just thought I'd do another quick little update video. Now, I've started to weld in the new plate area there now. Some of you will probably say that they're not the best. Well, I agree. I am not the best of welders. First time actually, well, not first time, but basically I haven't done a lot of work with a MIG. Now this is a gasless MIG. Now, as you can see, that they are actually all overly too bad. And that they're not piles of shit. Now I am still working and playing with this MIG every time I use it and that, so I will go and charge this phone back up once again, and then I might actually continue along and do the rest of the welding as another video, so you can see it. And I'll go and load these up on my computer, so it could be tonight that I finish this, or it could be tomorrow. So yeah, alrighty then. Thanks for watching, everyone. Also, thanks heaps to everyone that has been viewing. We're over 6,800 views. And thanks to the four new subscribers over the last few days. Thanks heaps, guys and girls, whoever you are. And that, thanks heaps for tuning in and watching. Once again, what I'm going to do is concentrate just on getting all this side here done and complete and finished. Now I will be fabricating up a new sill bit there, because as you can see there is a couple of rust holes there, so I'm going to be cutting that area there out later and redoing that. Same goes for that lip there. I'm going to actually wait first before making that one, because there is a lot of crap with this one. So I'm going to cut this out this afternoon and have a bit of a squeeze behind there, which will give me an idea on where I've got to go. So yeah, thanks everyone. Once again, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I really like everybody that does view to subscribe if you like. And that, I am going to order in the next week one of my t-shirts, or two of my t-shirts, one for me to wear for when I'm making these videos, and one to give away. And that, I thought that we would have got more subscribers and all that sort of stuff by now, and that, to do the super cheap giveaway. So we might actually can that for now, and that, or super cheap or autobahn, whichever one you prefer. And that, also, look, if we can get to say 90 subscribers, I'll do the free t-shirt giveaway. Also, if you guys like to send me anything, stickers or anything like that, I do have a wall there to do the stickers on, also from the toolbox, anywhere really, and that. So I'll put the address, start putting the postal address in for everything to be posted to. Also, if you have any ideas of any videos you'd like to see, and please leave a comment down below. And yeah, alright then, Oh yeah, don't forget, still got stickers available. $5 each, or two for $7. That's free postage within Australia. So yeah. Alright then, thanks for watching, and cheerio for now.